Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. You know what it is, baby. This is the Boots Forex. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, click on that like button, yeah, and leave a comment after the video. Let us know what you think. Let us know which instrument you would like us to analyze. And go check it out on Instagram at the Boots Forex, because we are dropping content too on that page. And yeah, that's it. Without wasting any time, let's get to the video. And on this week, we will be analyzing the NAS100, the NASDAQ100, the US100, US cash, whatever you want to call it, right? And we're going to start off from the daily time frame like we always do, because, I mean, if you go to the monthly time frame, there isn't much to look at except for levels, right? So you can see what I mean, right? There isn't much to look at. So I just jump straight to the daily time frame and have a clear view of the market. Anyways, same old. What we do, we mark our highest point and we mark our lowest point. Why do we do that? It marks our playing ground. It gives us a place or an area where we need to focus our eyes on. You know what I mean? And like we always do, we're gonna join the highs like that. Same thing with the lows. Let's see, like that. Okay, I'm happy with that. Okay, so as you can see, we had a nice descending channel which was broken above, so we need to cater for what's happening currently. Okay, and let's see, these highs were broken, as you can clearly see. Okay, that was a fake out. Let me see. Yeah, that was a fake out. I think it was testing. Let me see. Yeah, it was testing this low, right? Tested that low, rejected, gave us an even start, coming back. Anyways, let's jump to a 4-hour time frame. Okay, wait for that to load. There we go. Bingo. Okay, so make sure that's touching. I'm gonna move this out of the way because I'm trying to focus my attention on this whole move. You know what I mean? So okay. Let's see. But previously I had something like this, right? So you can see touch, broke out, retest, made a new high, made a new low. So we had something like this too. Okay, from this high to the following high, like that. You can clearly see the market started playing in between. Didn't give us a touch at the top, gave us a touch at the bottom, but it broke below. You know what I mean? So I'm going to focus my attention again on what happened recently. You know what I mean? So I'm going to remove this and focus my eyes on these highs, and these lows. So if I take my trend line and I join it like that, extend that like that, come to, let me see, boom, yeah, so from this low to that low, right? So from me drawing this, you can clearly see that we are having an expanding channel, or expanding triangle, or expanding pattern, whatever you want to call it, right? But I'll just call it an expanding triangle, from this low to a high, to this low to a high. And it's currently, I think it formed a new low, right? And it's at a possible support level or trend line, you know what I mean? So we might have moved to the upside for a third touch, or the market can correct and push to the downside. Okay, so let me jump to the 1 hour to have a proper view. Okay, let's see. The markets have been very volatile and very choppy these months, right? Due to the wars, the interest rates in the US, the inflation, you know what I mean? All that. So let's see. Okay, there we go. This is nice and good. So as you see, we have our touch here, touch there, touch here, and move to the upside. This was what we had before. Okay, from this to there, let me see. Okay, I'll cater for that. This was a rising wedge, broken below, nice correction. Let's see what happened. Okay, something like that, from that high to this high, right? So we had a payment here, which is a nice continuation pattern. And let's see. Okay, so as you can see, after that move, we have we had a move to the downside, which is there. Let me see. Okay, so I think it was just fulfilling the 90% rule of this pattern. Maybe go to the downside. So we might have two things here. We might have a correction and a break to the downside all the way to this level Y to also fulfill the 90% rule of this whole pattern. Okay, or we might have what a support level here that touch and a move to the upside, right? Because as you can see, when it touched here it moved up, touched here it moved up, so we might have a touch and a move up again. Okay, so let's see if I do that. Okay, it's gonna be too much. Let me remove these. Okay, right, so we might have a descending channel, you know what I mean? So this is a descending channel and we might have possible moves to the upside, okay, but that will only be confirmed if we break this low or this resistance area. If this resistance gets broken above, this trend gets broken above, we wait for a retest and entering our buys to the upside. But for now, we are currently looking for selling opportunities simply because NAS100 has been breaking lows, right? It formed a low here, broke, right? Formed a low here, broke. So we might have what, a nice correction and a move to the downside. We might give us our first touch, second touch, third touch, and a move to the downside. Okay, so we just cater for sales for now, but keep in mind that we might have buying opportunities. Okay, so that's the nice part about forecasting, right? We get to see both sides. We get ready to buy, get ready to sell. Okay, whichever confirmation we get first, right? We have to have confirmations, but currently we are looking for selling opportunities. Okay, so we might have a correction, give us out that touch and move to the downside, or we might have a breakage, a retest, and a move to the upside, or it might break here first, correct, and move to the downside. So whichever one plays first, we will go with that one. And that's pretty much it. Hey, that's pretty much it. There isn't much more to focus on. Okay. Oh yeah, if we move back to the 4 hour, something I saw. Okay, so just wait for that to load. Okay, there we go. So if we move to the 4 hour, we can clearly see, let me remove everything. You can clearly see that we had a nice head and shoulders pattern, you know what I mean? So this is our neckline. And you know what they say, if a neckline is broken, what do we wait for? A nice retest and then a push to the downside, you know what I mean? So that's what we might have. So the head and shoulders is also confirming that we might have a retest and selling opportunities. So that's where our headspace is for NAS100. We are looking for selling opportunities. Okay, wait for that to load. My network is always messing with me, I don't know why. But anyways, I guess that's it for NAS100. There isn't much more to focus on. Okay, we just wait for a nice correction, move to the downside or a breakage, and a retest, move to the upside. That's it. Thank you very much for tuning in once again. We appreciate the love and support. The Bulls Forex signing out. Thank you.